Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for October 27th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Halloween. Boo Bunny by Kathryn Galbraith, illustrated by Jeff Mack. One shy bunny, one dark night, one hungry eye, two crooked teeth, one rattle of bones, two scaly feet, one soft hoo, one loud boo. Jump, bump, eek, squeak. Hop, hop, hop. Wait, stop. One bunny quivers, one bunny shivers. One big door, one hissing cat, two small bunnies, tap, tap, tap. Trick or treat, whispers one. Trick or treat, shout two. Creak, the door opens wide. Oh, thank you. Two giant hops, one loud hoo. Two bunnies giggle, hoo, boo to you. One silver moon, two paws held tight. Two brave bunnies, one Halloween night. The end. We're going to decorate a trick-or-treat bag. So all you need is your Craft to Go kit, which is a black bag and stickers. There's 3 different kinds of stickers. And all you're going to do is put them on your bag however you want. Use the stickers you want. You can save some for other things. You can put them in any order you like. You can put them all on one side or flip it over and put some on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and decorate both sides. So flip it over. And happy Halloween. Got a Frankenstein monster, a werewolf. They look friendly though, don't they? And these little alien-like monsters. Now I think 10 stickers is enough for me. I'm going to open it up. You have a trick-or-treat bag. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.